There are multiple ways to copy and paste in a Linux terminal: graphical user interface or using keyboard shortcuts. You can use the built-in graphical user interface by right-clicking anywhere inside the terminal and selecting copy or paste appropriately. For example, if we have some text that we want to copy, we can highlight it by swiping, or we can just double-click it. Then you can right-click and say copy, and then later you can paste it doing the same, right-click and paste. There's an easier way to do this though. If you double-click to highlight, you can hit Shift-Control and then C for copy to copy the object, and then Shift-Control again and V for paste to paste it.